I'll go.
Andiyan na sila, nanay?
Yeah. Read it.
It's a captivating insect. Spanning 7 to 10 centimeters. It's a grasshopper. So those were the grasshoppers in the final question.
Locust. Hey, locust, what do you call them?
Next.
Centipede. You might want to sit there. That's the centipede there. And that's the tree.
Ayoko dyan. Magamba.
Where?
Push. It's a spider.
Whoa.
Tipid yan. Ayun pa kami sa pa. It's a spider.
Why is it so big in the family tree?
Oh, I can hear the dino. Oh, what's that?
Spider?
Oh, yeah, what spider?
Yung like spider?
Yeah. Tarantula.
Tarantula.
Ganyan kalaki ang tarantula dati. Siguro kung buhay pa lahat yan. Ipis. Kung buhay lahat. Oy, kung buhay lahat yan, patay tayo o lahat yan. As it's very big.
Those insects are very big.
I'm starting to
I
get
saw the size of like this.
I'm starting to get interested in the island in the ocean again. Palapit na yung lupa.
Oh, nakikita ko na yung
What's that? Oh, a cockroach.
Ganyan
Ugh.
kalaki dati.
Kadiri ang cockroach.
That's the only dinosaur sound confirmed is the cashew.
Yeah. Yun nga lang. Ang bako naman dito. Siguro.
Ipil yun.
May tubig to dapat.